we go. About to strap these set of 26s and then these 20-inch 35s down. Put some fuel in this boy real quick. Woo. 9 o'clock, I was supposed to have been gone. It's like 9:30. Still gotta go get the girls. But, wrong card. Let me put some fuel in here real quick. That's why I don't drive my truck. Alright, strap down, everything good, no dumping around. Small block for show. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's look around. Pick these girls up. Get on the road. Come on. I already know what these going on. Gotta clean them up though. Let me know when you're ready.
This is too much ice again.
What's ice again? Oh, the ice again. In your own Sprite. Boy, if you don't get your it's all on your hand. Yep, you got it.
You ain't say thank you.
Thank you.
I just bought you something.
What?
Them rims.
Oh, thanks. You bought my
Or
tires
whatever to
mountain
put them
down.
on there. Same thing.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome, sir.
Come on, a hug and a kiss.
Yep. I would love that.
Yeah, I bet you would.
I like this toy.
Look, camera girl. Yeah, get it. You wanna hold the camera for
There's
me?
some more fries in here.
You wanna hold the camera for me?
They're my fries.
Yeah.
You gonna hold the camera for me? Thank you. Holding this boy out like another week. Do it again. Few days later. That is not the same battery. What in the actual heck? At least the thing ain't mounted down. How many controls cranking out? It's the same. That's the same. It's J-Rock Customs right here, JRC. Y'all see him building this. Or rebuilding this. He said he want to get another hood. I think we could make this work. I don't know though. I don't know.
Shit, if I can find one like I found that that somebody already bought for $75, it'd be worth it.
Somebody took a bite out of it, they said. And then that's what happened right there. But no, somebody hit a median on post. And he just stopped driving and bought a new car. Still running dry and everything. People find a lot of steals like that around military because when you get the constant paycheck, you ain't worry about what people say about your car, how it look. Try to keep it top notch. He's like, yep. He only had liability. And he got a quote and he was like, nah, I'm not fixing it. So he bought this car for a whooping price of, I'm not gonna say, follow his channel, y'all see it. Box about to get mounted up today. I'm about to put that window in the Malibu, but I gotta spray some clear in the window seams, make sure you don't get no rust or nothing like that, because I actually missed it. So I'm gonna pour that in, and then when I do that, on the first flash, probably like 15, I probably wait like 20 minutes each one. Probably do like 3 of them, and then in the process of it drying, I'm gonna be going back and forth to mount these up. Hopefully, they don't get too dirty, but yeah, that's my goal for today. This is the only thing I'm worried about. I mean, when I got the exhaust did, stuck it outside, so hopefully that ain't no issue. If it is, they coming right back off. Tripping up my new tires. But yeah, let's see what it do. Peekaboo. Alright, man, so that's what I'm doing. Gotta cut the exhaust off. Alright, and the reason why is because I told the guy who was doing it to put the, oh yeah, this is not rust too, this is surface. This is the cleanest box Chevy I've ever seen in my whole life, in person. But I told the guy to run the pipe under the frame, like, cause that's how it go anyway. And he did the opposite and ran it out that way. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to pay for that, even though he didn't do it right. And it was over 2 years, I mean close to 2 years ago when he did it. But like I said, I don't really drive this car, so I want to actually drive it once I get it fully set for my wife. These rims coming back off. I'm just putting it on so I can ride it to work a couple times to see what it feel like. But I'm finna drop some pictures on y'all right here. Yeah, so everything clear, man. I done made a couple corners. It looked like something dinged up right there, but whatever happened, that was before I got it. Everything's good, man. Everything's clearing. I put the new ball joints, shocks, and springs on it. So we got all that space up there, but y'all see when I put the rims on the back, I had to be sweater level to put that system in there. And it's gonna drop down about 2, 3, 4 inches, some. I don't know, cause I don't know how much weight it's gonna be. But this the box for the blow through. Shout out to J Rock Customs. He finished it up for me today. There was a speaker right there. So I'm gonna do the blow through sometime in the next week and wire it up, get the doors set. So for the doors, man, I got some lights going for the doors. So the 6.5 is gonna go right here, right? But you're not gonna see the speaker at all. Got some mesh material that I can't put too much detail though. I'm just gonna say y'all gonna see it. Y'all gonna see it. I'm just gonna keep it right there. But most of the parts, I think everything that I need for the motor for the Tahoe came. So I'm just working on this for the day because I didn't think nothing was gonna come, and I was off today. So got a lot done, whole lot. CTS done. Gonna finish that. Put the window in. I thought I was gonna have some time to paint, but I ran way over time with that Cadillac, so just finishing this up. I already cut this. I'm finna go ahead and take it out, but it'll be getting fixed sometime this week. Yeah, man, I like it all. As y'all can see, stay tuned for the turbo photo on this. They don't look that much bigger. That was the first time I seen some 28s. I was like, dang, that was huge. But now I've been seeing them so often. It's like, oh, they big. Cause I seen 34s. I was like, Jesus Christ. But yeah, man, they on, they clean. I need to wash the wheels and put the chrome wax on it. But yeah, back sitting higher than I would like, so definitely gonna drop that boy. And you see how the gap there, small gap there. It's supposed to be like that, right? But I want it to be sort of even. But once the back go down, it's gonna go in and that's gonna go out.